And we're going to here till Thursday morning, 2 o'clock. So I hope you can stay with me. With all the way I go on, I tell you, too much things are going on. Rain a fall. In most places I know, rain a fall. Put on top of where it's going already. But we are going to go through. Yeah, man, we are going to go through. We don't stop. We are going to go through. Yeah, after the 10:30 break, we are going to open the phone, call them. Because we know you have enough things to talk. Football is one of, hey. Why I tell you, the football, them say the stadium ram till it see it, you know. Stadium ram till it couldn't ram no more. And the reggae boys never come through for Jamaica at all. People in Bex. Yeah, man. You know, see all the coach will leave himself immediately. He resign immediately. But that's the way it is, you know. It's a game. It's a game. Sometimes it play in your favor. Sometimes it not play in your favor. And you will always find out a reason why you never do this and why you never do that. But there with you. Here we go. I have heard of him, but very popular in England, Family Quail. So we're there with you. We're there with you. I'll go through the place as well till 2 o'clock. And you can call and say what you want to say. You understand? We are given the chance to do it tonight. Because you might not get the chance tomorrow. We don't know what's going to happen on the program tomorrow.
Football thing a joke thing here, because from the man, they don't make Trinidad come equalize. No, it's a joke thing. And number one, they know shooting base of the coach don't live here come when there's a match. How true is that?
Well, I don't know how true it is, but I know some resign. So it must something right, most them never do. Like him knows him never do something.
35,000 US a month. You see what I show you? Yes, I'm in the live here. And
yeah, well.
I mean, Mota, and I tell some virgin, I say, look here. Once you have a coach, you don't have a bad team. The coach supposed to find the method of the solution.
Yeah.
He's supposed to know the weakness of the team. He's supposed to know the power or the weakness of the opponent and study it and implement or improvise Mota. The man, them not playing TikTok. Them not playing TikTok ball. Is that them don't know the next man there. But I never watch the match still, but
I did not watch it, but it come like say the man them play like them don't know one another.
Thank you, Mota.
I don't know. I don't know if it's some youth them pick up different plays, but it come like them not friends. The whole of them are not friends, you know. Them just play together.
That's the room up on the road, right? So.
Oh, that's the room up on the road.
Yeah, them a play like them nowhere. I mean, when me I play football, me don't know when my
yeah, man, you shout all a man from clear Douglas, so you shout him. Oh, you want to kick the ball, probably left, right. You don't know them play like a church. Them
Mota, thank you, Mota. The Federation, say, because that's a water, but Mota, you realize what going on Jamaica with this killing now, the shooting. You know.
A 3 man get licked yesterday. 3 man get licked yesterday upon Mandela Highway. Police.
Today? 3 get, today at 4, police, and I think at 3 yesterday Monday.
Yeah.
The car, if you see the car upon Mandela, it's like every bullet in the world. So, when I say Mota,
shoot to kill, man. Shoot to kill.
Yeah.
That's from the
police them can't wear a camera. The bad not better for compel them to wear a camera. But now we're not gunman, you know. But we need to know the truth now. We deserve it. So we're going in the country. Anything the Prime Minister said, the government said, go Mota. Bomb to the camera.
Shoot to kill. And nobody will. I will back you.
Bomb to the camera.
I will defend you if you shoot to kill. That is how it goes. I will defend you. We
can't continue like that because number one, now, we can't behave like the criminals.
Tell me where we are going to do. Tell me. Because you say we know. Tell me where we are going to do. Tell me.
Muta no work. Remember where I come from, hostile eradication is still no work. You know, Muta.
No, me don't want to know we never work. Tell me where we are going to do since you talk about we.
What to do to make it work?
Yeah, then I must let me talk about, man.
First thing, Muta, we have to stop the gun from coming from America to come here. That's the first thing.
Second, we are going to do that. We are going to do that.
That's the Prime Minister problem. And them I get the money so quick, them I jump on that thing, yeah. That's a film problem, Muta. I will say, the man, all the garden, him get paid for run solid waste. Him get paid for do it. So we don't put there for whatever. If you can't do it, you leave it alone, Muta. We're not supposed to have the man work and them I get paid. Just like the government general, when I get paid for. So, when you do Muta, the deal with the port, then where the gun them come from. That's the first thing. Then we have to come with the mindset of the people, them now. Because I see them out there, pay black people are dead, pay black ghetto people. So nobody not follow our life. We not say, just like the youth are kill man and whatever, but we can't behave like American and Caribbean water to kill everything so that or assume them in our drugs. No, Muta. A mindset. All right, Muta. You say the government successive going to this going to here where you and Carbo say after this COVID thing where you cut up the land them and tell you say yo go farm. No, you go feed yourself a farm. What the motivation for us to deal with farming food? Look what I about the food motor on spoke about it years ago. Years ago. You see the thing I go on like we are planting food are we into food where we want GMO to come kill we have to give it cancer and strokes.
That is intention.
I suppose the people that walk up cripple up. A lot of people cripple up. Never same thing on me a boy. So where we are to just come do pretty chat. Parade of tough that. The food that mess up the people them, I give them strokes, I give them cancer, apart from them vaccine. And we are pay man for come give a pretty chat. That's all them the motor. You listen to them at the time. The first thing them get a lady from the Ministry of Education because she speak immaculate. Come and make some pretty talk. We don't want to chat in no one. Work, motor. Work. Because motor, if you cut up the land them and say, look here, every family get a piece of a farm. When the youth them go work in a motor, you work, you come home, you just want to bathe, and you feel good for no sense. About to smoke too much. And the gun.
The cup with the liquor in them and
so what really are going on in our country, Muta? As everybody just silent so and business as usual. The food gone all the way up and really no Muta. No educated people from you and Carbo and Miguel and Jesman. Really so I sorry, I'm not getting at the day or tomorrow. So I want just say something to the ground and say, Andrew Olis, Mark Golin, Matala Mafu and Hendricks, I who know benefit. Pernell Charles, I who know all the land them. I who know for come build it now. We're done build it. We ancestors dead and shed blood for this. And get beaten for this and we come deal with it. And we're not getting nothing, we don't have nothing more than one little box for $40 million and you can't plant a color. Who are going to build it? Who will build it back? Who will come get rotten rich and lay we have? Motor. Now watch one thing on YouTube, the richest family. Hendricks, Matalang, Mafu, Issa, and you go on. And man from Syria, you know. And no black people are there, you know, Motor. No black people are there, you know. I'm going to come to politician now, going to politics with lean boat. I own half a St. Thomas. And I bring in them half a St. Thomas and the people don't have nothing for farm Motor.
Where say them have lean boat? Them going there with lean boat.
With lean boat Motor. I own half a St. Thomas. And then the piece them should say, yo, at least look at people them a piece so them can farm. I'll know me tell them Motor. I'm a car cliffing up. I want to talk about me in the pen. I'm say, look here, man. I say it to Motor. Give me 100 million. Car cliff.
Cliff who?
Cliff and I defend. I say to 100 million in front of about the PNK labor. I will never I mean, that being a hypocrite, when a hypocrite come I get money.
Him say I'm going to show it down. Him say I'm going to show it down.
No, me say for show it down, more to vote for them. Because I come see what them do to Jamaica. One get 18 and a half years and the Jamaican people still living in a squalor. And then me say I drive big car and big BM, a parade, and still them have Governor General stung in there. I get money for what? Motor, the people them hungry now. Me I say I give it food peace.
Them all get angry now. Angry them all get now. I
talk about build back Jamaica. Make Hendrix and Mafu and Andrew Wallace and them friend them where I drive, we have a big truck and a BMW. I'm going to build it. Build it will work, but when I build it back again, we build it right now when I get nothing Andrew Wallace. Mark Golden when I get nothing, PJ when I get nothing. We still live in a squalor and sing fence and dirty road and soldier run. And black people are dead. I get shoot on by a gunman, I get shoot on by police. I not support foolishness. I will see it on camera and not do about it. See there? You kill how much youth and youth come back and kill 2 police. You kill 2 young police. Our brother them. I not support that. Whether from gunman or government. No.
You know, say November. You know, say that November, at least police kill 1 person. They up on average 1 person every day. Today,
what, the 19?
Them say the police must keep people at this moment.
One man who owned half a St. Thomas motor, and now the storm come and hit me. And I come more hide and then when we notice now everybody every day at press conference for the international people them look good. Motor them a jump on this press thing with the chatting every day is because of the money we are coming. And as I say, you say it, people are saying, and what if them I get spot off right? Why is it that the Prime Minister have move the office to come and film office and film place food? That's so free. Him not no work for them. You know, I find Salvation Army for distributor. Why you want to spend at your office now? Give me one reason. Have I think so if the money is not back on this thing? Eh? Nobody no go out there and say, yeah, after COVID now, if we learn and know, say, yo, I cut up a lot and give the people and we just focus on planting, see yourself.
Feeding time, we have to move though, feeding time.
Long life, Muta, big up to
man, blessed.
Mandingo and Araspa.
All right, blessed.
For going to politics to reach them and their family. Yeah. So when they go into politics now, then got the land department and know where the land them just go capture. You see, so at that I go on, so that side they control so much land because they know so the land has the power. Because land have value, you know.
Yeah,
see, the land value always go up.
Land no go down, man. Land go up.
It not go down. And that's a motor vehicle. No, always good on, no, because when you buy a motor vehicle, the price always a good on.
Yeah.
So
depreciate.
The go
call it. Depreciate, yeah.
Yeah, man. But you drive it out of the car, man, for the price.
Gone down.
I want to go buy so a land now. Then target. Since to take with the land.
Well, that we should have to target the land them.
Yeah, but you see now we lack an organization. No. We the poor people, because the poor people them now link up with them one another. Them about to the rich all the while and say the rich people have the food, so them have to go with the food there. Them not strengthen for them poor people like them. So they not have no unity. When if them not strengthen one another, things would have better. So I said them just look on the things one way, so the big man have the money. So they prefer big man. Still they not big a poor man. You see it. So I don't think they make poor people always down over the years. So that's why the big man then team up now. They link up with the one another. And that's why anything with the big man then.
So if you're poor, where you link up for though? If you're poor.
No, link up for deal with some investment. See how
you're poor, where you going to invest on? You're poor.
We as poor people, we organize.
Yeah. And do what?
Try get together and do some investment. That's why even
but you don't have no money, you don't have no money, you don't have no land. You don't have no land, you rent house you live in, and you don't have no money in the bank. So, or you go link up.
We just have to just group up and farm and group and try.
No, but when I say where you link up for, how you get the money? How you get the money? Tell me.
Right. So we the poor people, they organize a group, hustle, get the money and put it together. See it and try to buy some things and farm. See it.
No, but you have to have land for farm, you know.
Yeah, you have land, but so.
Yeah, and you have to have money to buy land. So you don't have no money. You have poor people. Poor people can't come together to make it. Eh?
Yes, it's hard to start from scratch for real. Yeah.
No, so there must be a way, you know. But me like you tell me, what is the way you think forward for poor people come together and do what? With what? You tell
me. Get some money together and invest in that.
Where you will get the money from? Poor people can't go bank and borrow $1 million, $2 million just so I have no collateral and all them way, you know. So
yes, it's hard for real still, but so that's why the poor are go always down them because the rich people.
No, I don't think so the poor are go always down. It's just that we need to find out and figure out how is it and what is it we should do to make our life better.
Yeah,
we should have figured it out. We can't poor people this and poor people if come together and buy land. We don't have money to buy the land.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
But we have to find something to do.
Find something to do about the money.
In our spot, in our little corner.
Yeah.
You know, you see black people, especially black people in Jamaica. Them so jaga.
Ah, yeah.
You know what Marcus Garvey say, look on the Jew man and look at him do film thing. You know, see, look on the China man and look at him do film. You see a China man store, the only thing black people do in that store and lift up luggage.
Yeah, lift up
the black man, the black person in a China man supermarket, you know. The black person in the office account money, you know.
No, they're not trusting with the money.
Them in a cashier. You understand? So we need to understand what is it that the Chinese do. Because I remember one time, you know, black people used to run business downtown, you know, like real business, like, you know what them do? You see them women they used to sell, not sell, we used to, anytime them hustle on the road, them come together on a Friday night and play bingo, or them run partner draw.
Yeah, partner draw, yeah.
You see the partner draw thing, when them run the partner draw, you know, a group of them used to go to New York, you know, come used to see them and walk up and down 34th Street, 5th Street, 5th Avenue, and them places. When you see them, you know, maybe all two of them you see, you know, but you see what the thing them where them a buy, to pack up all a D container, and not for them alone, you know.
Yeah, team thing.
And the team thing down at yard there, them come together with the same bingo money.
Yeah.
And come together and say, all right, you go, because you have visa. And it's when them come back, oh gosh, man. You see, after they realize about wait, anytime they go to New York and look for the thing, them it made in China.
Yeah.
May I tell you something I know, you know. Them say made in China, them say, you know. We don't want to go to America. We want to go straight to China. And them come together with the same little money where you see them and gamble themselves there, so. And I do what them call it partner draw.
Yeah.
You know partner draw, right?
Yeah, man. The partner draw. Yeah, man, the most man join and be the banker.
Yeah, you see partner draw now. When them realize everything where them are buy made in China, them decide to watch out. We don't want to go to America again. At China we want to go.
Yeah,
Trust me. All two of them left here with a list of things about China. And when them come back, it's a little 20-foot container them come back with.
Yeah, they load it.
And little more them have a shop.
Yeah,
downtown. Not on the roadside, you know. Downtown, them have a shop downtown.
Yeah. They have a shop, yeah.
Yeah, me know that because my lady used to go downtown go buy cloth from them. And then any other little knick-knack, and say, the way again is to say, China will come, China.
You see it. China then go.
It can't happen, but we have to find out what is it that we're going to do when we say we must come together. When poor people must come together. Poor people can't come together if them do have a serious plan.
The plan of the thing,
Yeah, them need a plan. Because we see some woman there, them a drive some car, and the man them a drive the car, them a go check them woman, And I know for them car, the man them car, And them woman car.
You see it.
See it. And them woman car, and them borrow the woman car and go look next woman. And I go for them car, and not for them car.
Yeah, man, them go like for them car.
So we have to know.
Get the woman easy.
Yeah, so we have to know what we want to do when we say we must come together. Black people don't come together, that show it not publicized on a level. Say black people, it's them woman downtown, trust me. Mr. Woman sell ice in a Coronation Market and send them picnic go university.
College, for real, yeah.
Me not talk something out of the blue in a brethren.
Yeah, man, I know, man.
Not talk something, no.
Yeah, man,
you ask them something there. I see I said all the way, yes, Mars Motor. Yeah, man, it carry picnic at college, university.
Yeah,
so,
true.
And then I know man.
You see,
man road left them gone foreign.
Yeah, they have to save them money.
Yes, with others too. Even though they talk about black people, don't know. You see, them also and use them like a partner draw. Do this.
Yeah, man.
Next month, tell I want to get the partner draw. And have some enough cash.
They team up in that business. Most of them, they're not honest at that man.
Right down to Barry Street upside down. Right down to Arbor Street. A pure China shop, you see the right round there, so.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and now you see, time and time now, you see some black people have shop down there now. You can't call it Uncle Chinatown again. Because now Chinese people have shop down there again.
Mm-hmm. And no fight China now. Here with the China now. They sell more reasonable more than the black people. The black people, they pressure people too much.
Well, them get it from them people. Them in China get it from China. We have to buy it
so
from.
They can sell it cheap.
We have to buy it. Yeah, we have to buy it from them China up there. So I go and buy it. So,
yeah, that's a one thing. So then get it more reasonable. So you can't sell it like them to make money.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Because if you sell it like them, you're not gonna make no money. But them can't sell it.
So what kind of work you do? What kind of work you do?
A farming the idea is there.
So where you get anything mashed down for you?
Yeah, man, a crop of melon and a crop of sweet pepper and a crop of cucumber. So
you start planting back yet? You start planting back?
No, I'm not start planting back yet. Still never prepare. It's a tomato crop I go for that time, yeah.
Okay. Which part you plant? Which part you plant?
Eh?
Which part you ground there where you plant?
Oh, a St. West, no. So St.
West. Okay.
So here I know. So some people were set down still, but some of the time they want to say you have to have RAD ID and then thing. But not everybody had an ID there still. So in a situation like RAD ID there.
I would rather you don't deal with RADA.
Eh?
I would rather you don't deal with RADA.
Oh, yeah.
Because I never poison the people them with poison when they spray by your food.
No, but at the ID when I want from them. In the case of no, when the government it's still more time they want give our money and stuff.
Yeah, they might
say you have to have ID and then things.
Yeah, everything you have to have ID.
To prove say you're a farmer. But we say in a day time we don't have to mention anything like and everybody have ID and the farming mashed up.
They're going to bring in some things for you that are unbelievable.
You see.
They're going to bring in some things for you, man, that all money become obsolete. Money, paper money.
Yeah.
Obsolete.
Everybody, they're not Westman, me, so they must show up things and they want ID from people to prove.
A joke business, man. ID wash.
A joke business. ID wash. So foolishness then.
Yeah, man, your ID wash.
Understand, and people are super hard. So you're going to make the people them dead for hungry to them have ID.
Yeah.
And wickedness them, man, if you know. And the people them still, when bad things happen, still they must show more love. So they continue to show the love. Now we
notice it.
Them that something happen. They must show love and talk. different.
Man, talk to people them never used to talk to all.
Yeah, with the youth. No
people go, hey, you have some people go to St. Elizabeth will never go down there yet, you know.
Never go down there.
Yeah,
so they for sure love man that we tell bad things happen all while. And when people dead, they must show love. You have some family member, no? Right? They may have their family and they're sick, no? And they now give them a doctor bill. And when they're dead, they must spend how much money. How much money for a funeral. Say hi if I look good there. People say they're good. That's joke business. So they must promote that, man. If it takes a life, man. And that's everybody can reach. So not to your family not rich. Some people not to their family poor, you know. If they see them come out their yard, then I want them, you know, they show them screw face and all this. Then that's easy. So they show more love.
But maybe a milk can come milk them why them don't want to see you.
They don't want to see you. And they rich and they fridge pack of food and this pack of food and they had the money and a big house and then I want to see you so you're poor. So the way how some people do with money, they think they're not right. They think they're not right. Might have to deal with money. So still for sure love.
Yeah,
so your family. Yeah, man, bless you. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, give thanks. Okay, I wish probably they will play this song, you know.
Original man.
Stop listening to the radio.
Yeah, Muta.
Yeah, blessed man.
General.
Good night, Talk now, man.
Yes, I am man there, man.
Yeah, then talk now.
Yeah, I hear me clear.
No, stop listening to the radio now, man.
Nah, man, I'm not listening to the radio, man.
Yeah, well, talk,
radio
man.
Inside, man, where I take some breeze, some natural breeze.
Yeah, well, too much full stop. You have too much full stop.
Oh, it sound like me up on the radio.
It sound like you take too much full stop. Take some come in, man. Come in, right.
Not like that, the general, man. I am man there, I forget a call. A long time, I man, not give a call still, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, man, you know, as a youth, where I grew up, where I always listen to Muta from where I youth. The real talk, them and the real message them. You know what I say? Because we're not too frightened for them nowadays, sure, you know.
All
You
right.
know what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we try to link up with the original people and hear the original thing, them, you know, Muta. But right now, when I have to say no Muta, we have to give thanks still, you know. You don't know, we have to give thanks, you know, all we go on, you know.
Yeah.
So,
of course.
Yeah, man, we have to give thanks, man, because it could have hurt.
Yes.
Yeah, man, it could have hurt.
I don't ever want to think say it could have worse. I don't ever want to think that say it could have worse.
Yeah,
I don't know
man.
what could have worse. What you call could have worse?
All right, now I'm sure.
The whole of Jamaica just cover with water and drown everybody.
Well, me not go that there. Me not ever want to think that way there.
Then that boy you think a way that really said good or worse.
No, let me tell you what it is, because we know you understand it, man. You know, we know if I want to talk foolishness, you good here with me. You see, all we are going, me the right to still talk to you.
Of
me
course.
Dead, you know.
Eh?
No, me I say me the right to talk to you now. So what me never must there, you know. Them people that were dead. Me could have been one of them too. But I just say me protect myself one way and take this thing serious. When enough of them not take serious. That's why I say, and I just want the people in my Jamaica to know, say, next time, when you hear about storm, when we know what to do, because enough people never really take this thing serious.
Brethren, I can tell you something. Nobody in a Jamaica I go hear upon the radio say storm a come and I talk about no, so storm not come. We are a blessed country, you know. Everybody I go make sure to them button up. Already the storm they way far from me. Them I go hear the storm a come. Watch and see what happen. Then I go take it like first time.
That me I tell you now my father, cause me myself I fear one people and me I know weatherman. And me I tell you how that happen. See me a barber, you know. And he said, Baba and Rasta no friend, but I like them I tell because I am my father, I am my general. See? Alright. Me work in a barber shop. And up till the Saturday, the Friday, the Saturday, me there work and I do my thing. I remember me tell you, say me take them things serious. See, you know why me there work? Because me listen the news, Muta. I me hear people in the barber shop say, no storm now come because seed from rain a fall, and that's why me not go to supermarket because me say, Bridget, we not listen. The man them never say no storm a come Friday or Saturday, no lie, I tell from them, unless me a hear them, From me I listen the man them tell you say the breeze and the rain are gonna start Saturday and Sunday. And that is the reason a man like me would have depend the road Saturday. Because me hear what them say, Muta. So me still go hustle, because where one bird will fly out early, go hustle and come in back. You know what I say? When the eye go tight. Yeah, I say, and me there personally for the whole day, I feel tell even some big man, me I feel tell, look here now. A man like Uno should have make some schoolboy attack, so. Uno know say storm or something, when you hear say storm come, you will see the sun at to the well at and tomorrow morning the storm come, brother.
Watch out, I better you prepare and it don't come, then don't prepare and you want to get watch way. Wait, hold on, we're going to take a break. We're going to take a break.
Yeah, man, me have to.
After Hurricane Melissa, the road to recovery begins. If your family has been affected by the hurricane, the Ministry of Labor and Social Security is here for you.
Led by the ministry, teams are on the ground conducting household damage assessments and delivering assistance in communities where we are most needed. We are the People's Ministry, and we're leaving no one behind.
For further information, call our Client Care Center at 876-922-8013. Send us a WhatsApp message at 876-582-8972 or 876-849-8614 or email us at clientcare@mlss.gov.jm.
Hurricane Melissa may be over, but the emotional impact can linger. It's normal to feel anxious, sad, or overwhelmed. Talk about your feelings. Stay connected with family and friends and reach out for help if you need it. Call the Mental Health and Suicide Prevention Helpline at 888-NEW-LIFE. That's 888-639-5433. You can also access the UMatter chat line by messaging the word support to 876-838-4897 or at YouReport Jamaica. A message from the Ministry of Health and Wellness.
While driving through Jamaica, there's only one radio station I listen to, IRIA FM.
Yes, Bridget.
Yes, Muta, me general. Then I tell you now, man, prepare me, hang up long time on my phone, hang up, let's see it. I told me know me a call Muta, so me make sure prepare, because me know Muta have to take a break, because me I forgot dip on the line.
And you have to have enough credit.
Then that's me I talk about, but enough man not prepare, that's why by you come back and say, Bridget, you know, you're not, I have to say, we have to look like the man gone. You know, see, and them not prepare. You know, see. Why man prepare, you know. But why man I say still Muta here, we give thanks to everything same way, because enough of we still there in Jamaica there and we have deal back and more happy to dig up to the artists them, because the time when we get to there, we don't come for talk foolishness, we come for talk the right things them. I mean I say big up to every artist we help out, because one time members of youth, me can know say them fight dance all the reggae music in this country. I mean I ask that a man like you and certain people, I refer much stand up and say, oh, reggae music, we say we not say no calypso, or we not say no this, or we not say no hip hop here, so a dance all and reggae music, I refer say. So when
wait, hold on. On the dance all and reggae music you listen to?
No, man, me listen to other music, but me I say I have somebody who stand up for the dance all and the reggae music, because I have other station where
we play the other kind of music.
Them play calypso, them a play and be a hip hop. You get what me I say? So you have to have somebody where to stand up, where to bust the little youth, them in the corner, and you have one DJ we and I want. You know what? Come on, and say, make me play the youth, yeah. You know I want lollipop, make me send bust the youth from Senate. You have to have somebody that do them there, and that's how reggae music will continue. Because at the same youth, them where you bust with the one song, you know, and a man hear the song and say, wait, but this youth is sound good. I am same one, a man put on the next tune, and I am same one come tonyculture or Muvado, you know. You know, see it? Yeah, man, but otherwise from that, the storm thing, them now, we have to give thanks to the artists, them will come out and help, because people them really need help. But Muta, when me I say still, you know, me now say, we know say Elizabeth and Westmoreland and Mobile and Trelawney, at least them 4 places they get the hardest lick. See? But we all know, say, St. Anne, Portland,
St. Thomas,
Clarendon, St. Thomas, everywhere get licked. See? So I'm gonna say still I don't know, but I'm gonna wonder because every container, every drum, every plane, every ship,
Ghana, Westmoreland, Westmoreland,
it go still. And I'm gonna say I wonder if the authority them not really I think about the other parish them like. I don't know if after them call them name them share to them, but
well along from a come back here and I hear me always ask the one to St. Thomas and Portland.
Because every center right now in a motor, no like the France Senans there, got to Runaway Bay, got to Brownstone, them place there. The whole place blow down and dark in a motor.
No, not the whole place, man.
No, I mean the whole place from just to go to Brownstone, go to Cave Valley, the whole of that, the stretch the dark.
Up the hill, yeah.
Yeah, and people get blown down and get licked, and so more they them just look out for the other parish them if them are hear the call still, make we hear about the other parish them, man, we want to know if St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, we not say nothing bad, we not say no help them, nothing bad, them forget it, cause them lose, but other parish get licked too, and for the next note now, Muta, with the crime now, I'm not really comfortable much when it comes to that still, because of them a country half, where you're talking, but all I'm gonna say the youth them with the gun, the youth them for easy, because you see police them Muta, them not play,
Shoot for kill.
Yeah, me a man called earlier and I said, boy, the police, them are beard up now, and more time and I tell the man, him say them better rise up, because right now we see him thing what the man talk, but them to understand, say police, a man like me and you.
Now see you never come from country to man.
Police realize if them come out with clean shave every day and dress in a jacket and tie, them not going to be able to catch nobody so easy.
No, but hold on. The police can't come out in a suit and tie unless him up the man. He have to come out in uniform.
I reason something for sure say my police where you to that dep on a corner and look and say anyone want police that. See, so the man them have to know so right now, Then we see a police company and buy a stiff and a mataran with all in ratchet knife push out and in 2 years, and start reason with a man asking
and in beard.
And enough of them youth, I love the licky to car, that are the same thing. See enough of them had said this and said that, Muta enough of you them for go look at job to Muta enough of you them feel themselves. I and I man shop blow down in a Muta. See, everything blow off of the barber shop when you work, and I'm also next general working there, All right now, me I tell you straight, Muta, that have to fix up back already, All right now, we are trimming, Muta me I trim before light come, Muta me have some share when I buy, me spend my money and buy some cardless share, because what me just say, we always prepare. Them share the Muta, when you charge them work for all 2 days and 1 day sometime, I charge them back. Muta before light come back, me I work and I make my little change here.
So let me ask you.
Yeah.
Them, say, no, me ask you, me tell you something. Say, you can't get a man or a youth to come chop out piece of land and pay them again. Them I don't really like that,
They're not that.
But you see, as you plant, now you think them. Missing, man, them come chop it out and go like a film one. And if you call them, if you ask them, say, one brethren, me can get a day's work or a 2-day work, Them know that. Them prefer to
and then the same man, them come chop out your plant too. If you go there and see them kill you over it too. Like I feed them and you are the thief in a motor. You know, see it. And it's really rough for a man to know saying planting things, a man growing little cow from it young, and when it turn bull cow now for sell for your money, so little young, you can take it and go on like a
them. Every day, you see my little road there? It's a cow road. You see when I lay down all night, I appear move me over so. Down bottom of the road, 3-7 cow, I got you. Man, I always look for them cow, Man, I ask me if I see them cow. I say, Bridget, I don't see your cow, But me hear the cow class, so. When you go over there, I don't feel them cow, I don't feel them cow. A man cow, them I look for teeth it.
Yeah. I did not look cow, but they
actually don't know about it.
You see, they're smart, but as me I say still Muta, you them for white up because police them not play Muta, and we don't see where I go on and the crime in the country. And sometimes we feel that way when we get up and hear the news and hear
so much man dead.
And
man.
Two, not every the man
today, yesterday, and today.
And the little youth, them we are dead in the shootout, so the police, them kind of agree. Because I remember enough time the police, them have family and friend will lose them youth to one thing. Police, them are going to get wicked out here too, motor.
Terrible.
So you must just wise up and look some work and love some things, motor. Because I remember badness now run things again, motor. That time in the 90s. Remember when man used to kill man and then send when man all a Cuba motor, but hide out. Them then I go on again a different railway in a motor. Remember one time in the 90s, man, I run certain places and no police can go down there, and we know that. Nowadays, you know, see police I go everywhere, you see police make posts all in a garden. When you see police make posts at Tivoli garden, you know what that means in a motor.
Him have a girlfriend down there. Him have a girlfriend down there too.
Yeah, bro, baby mother and family down there. You know see it. You know see it. I man hear a joke one time saying, you know, that's why when the police them go a certain place nowadays, you know, them now will demand them, you know, because man here so the first thing a bad man them do, you know, is get a cousin or a sister, get the police them and introduce them to, you know. And from the police them apart with that girl there and that man they pull up the have sitting on him. The girl say, I'm a cousin that, you know, I'm a brother, you know.
See I'm blind here and deaf right away. See I'm blind here and deaf.
You know, squad the girlfriend and squad you know say if you know you not get no sugar later. Remember sugar run things more while you know.
And the honey. Anyway, we have to move.
We know we are talking, but remember
we have to move.
We have sense that we can't talk about the name.
Yeah, we have to move though. We have to move.
Yeah man. But one thing me I say man, you them follow the badness and look some work and do the right thing and make we help ourselves sometime and stop blame government and do we want a thing and build some job for ourselves too. You see
all right, so blessed man, give thanks.
Yeah, man, dig up yourself.
All right, this is
down the River Nile. It also gave us a sensitive child.
Yes, Big Turtle River. Take a break, come forward. Break time.
While driving through Jamaica, there's only one radio station I listen to. IRIA FM.
Yes. Dean Fraser and Earl China Smith with the Mystic Revelation of Rastafari. And guess who produced it? Yes, yeah.
Blessed love, Mr. Motor.
Blessed man.
Yeah, man, the farmer youth for a couple of the 100 bag, is it?
Okay. 100
yeah,
bag?
So, team to say, huh?
100 bag, you say?
Yes, sir.
Remind me now, you have to go remind me about that.
Yeah, man, me I hear reason already, man, about the planting and them, because something there, and them things that me I tell you, say, motivate me for them time there until now.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, man, so me I say, boy, kind of get like a shake up still, but me they kind of stand up firm on foot, see me, is it?
Of course.
Yeah, man, because me have one crocus bag of can see me if I go plant out in the hills and... Yeah, man, me have the command can them see me, because me there listen to you for them time there until now in the hill. Yeah, man, because me have an uncle where today when I'm the 80 and the man did tell me where you did I say same way, isn't it? I say?
Yeah.
Because when we would say my rare system would be like 2020 when they claim to say COVID coming and everybody like now and get confused, isn't it? I say?
Yeah.
And I that me see it I got to because I respect Joe to you. I mean, I have some elder bridge in them, Rasmanga, them and them and they. Where did all these I say go plant food? You understand me? I say because elder me not say me depend on top of things, but the food me I use right now I help
of course. Wait, manga gone where I'm live here still.
You know, say elder so the connection you kind of get split up with him and you see me? So number change and them look or something. But they kind of take in the lesson and consume it like a food theme because so some people don't really like to listen with them ears, them listen with them mouth, you understand?
Yeah.
So me find out people them get confused and get guinea-headed because me I look on some people, me in my parties, just a brush in my parties I go play. And some people when me did things for a whole meditation and me find out me no say well me no say but me I say me feel like the people them now all meditation hell.
Them lose it.
It's some kind of shake up people, you know, but respect to the elders them where they did before because me feel like me just have an experience this time. What about the people them back in the 80s and them look at something or them push themselves forward?
Gilbert.
Yeah. them unite and come together and share and not stop about the whole heap of kiss and this and that, because everybody have a duty and everybody have a choice and everybody have to choose. Because Ella, if me did I follow my friend them and not to say no listen to you, I would not do my farming and attack how me attack right now. I feel proud sitting down right here talking to you, because some people did doubt the thing. Right now, me I help them, Elder, because I not talk like me a hyper. No. But me I help them because I find out say food at the staff of life. You know much man, me don't have their money, Elder. And I can't sleep certain time, people are calling me for food. And you are say, people are calling people for work. Me just out on the road, I reason with some local Japan, I tell them, say, yo, you see, in a time when Mr. Muta did a talk in 2004 and them time, them, me did things say a joke until one of my Rasta uncle said, oh, you better take this thing serious, because you see, if you not got plan food, you go feel it. And Elder, me I help myself. Even the parakeet, them a give me a problem right now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, man, I eat all I can.
I eat down things.
They can't them.
Yeah.
Man, I'm out the whole like green can for me and them because it's there. Yeah, man.
So you don't say the can them to people who are boiled can.
Yeah, but
soup.
You know, like, you see, Joe, everybody around down the money and everybody just greedy and just get craving. And sometimes I kind of do my farming in a different way when I don't love nice, I just music and I work even.
Okay.
Sometimes people them come in just gravelicious yourself and we find out that part of their life say, I know live a nice after make I have to just humble and share, Elder. So I just share with my family them.
Okay.
Because I not going to sell out myself, say me, Elder. That's how I do my farming and I still going to do it. Because if I not work for my family them and do this like a music, I do like how I do nothing. My family them are go hungry, so I not going to really say rare. But me feed my family them, my nephew, my cousin them and some more people
that's good,
about
man.
to come in.
That's good. Very good.
Me not going to really say, Elder, me I do it like a supermarket, because me know why me say no, Elder. Because you see, them claim to say, no, the toughest month of January. And so look at things me say I go on right now, it will be worse by about the 15th of December. Because, Ella, look here, me do the farming and me reap seed potato and me reap yam, me cut cabbage. So me have to get back seed to plant back.
Yeah.
What if no more seed no import in Jamaica? When you did that tell us if you save the corn seed and demand them to do the right thing. Yeah, what if no more of them not come here, Elder? Where you see themselves in Jamaica right now?
That me I say too.
So when you are tell me, I tell you, then say if you give a man influence in my life, respect and thanks. Because when you say go plant food, and my uncle tell me the same thing, they are take it for joke. And when me start see, me have my crocus bag of corn right now, put them up there right now. Me have cucumber, me have the whole of them sitting in a bush right now and plant. And if me never did listen to yourself, you save the seed them, Elder, I would have did it right now, I run God's seed store. I run and I get confused and I know.
Why the GMO see them? With the GMO see them?
Yeah, I save me come and can't cause right now, Elder. Anytime they see them lock off, I guess some people don't know when Ratman say a food war I go on in Jamaica. I know how we blind to the thing, you know.
Yeah.
We need to get up, stop complaining, like what Junior Gang say. Find the problem, find the solution and do it. The only thing I want to say to the youth them. Because me was a youth too. Choose on a career like how the musician them do it and do it at on the best, like what Adija Palmer say. If you don't do it with much seriousness in it, you leave it alone, because the police taking work serious, the teacher taking work serious, the preacher man taking work serious. Youth we are going to Jamaica and mother and father we're sitting out there right now, me I beg on the please. On the need to teach you youth the right thing, because they have a lady named Miss Georgia Crawford did say, don't fix the road for your children. Fix your children for the road. Because these are the roughest time, Elder. When the youth them right now confused, Elder. Yeah. You know, no people are blame some youth right now, Elder. I used to live at town in Gans when I used to live in Elder. And in 2000 when time Sir Adams them are run off up there and certain things are going. I never wanted this, Elder. Because I didn't want to help my brother, help my sister, help my granny, help my cousin, them what me I do right now, Elder. Food me go plan, because the police choosing work. The soldier choosing work. The doctor choosing work. Youth who no choose a career. Please and thanks. Because you know go pretty for uno. Because no mother and father lose focus right now because of the money Because Sir Muta did I tell you no too. I no did a laugh. But right now, the money can't help you. And the food have to help you right now. You no help the policeman, you no help the teacher, you no help the doctor. Save on yourself, take care of your health.
Yes.
Treat on yourself good that you no wake up in a right state of mind. Because Sir Muta, you think that the people them in the hospital are the one that want medication. None of them youth are now all the meds. Them now all the meds are enough of we as parents as well, and some of the people them now all the meds them just get up and complain. Sit down and find the problem and we could do something because the greatest part of Senti where you used to feed in Manchester up here. And we up in Manchester right now, Elder help some people down at Senti and feed people. Me I tell her that.
Watch there.
No, people come to me. Me I tell them people are about to come to me tomorrow morning, Elder. Me I tell her that, and me I tell her it's like me and the government the food. And that me tell them to right now. You know I say the government and me around the food. And me want the youth them to go do farming. Because when you did I tell them, and I thought, then take it for joke, Mr. Mota. Them take it for joke when the artists them are Sir Bob Marley sings on song, you know. Natural mystic blow into the earth. At 2025, some people believe in that. The water don't occur behind below me yard down there right now. When the man said the earth are gonna come back and take him back in space and ray. When they did a laugh and I said, no laugh over something they don't know because every man a fool to where they don't know. Until you know. So respect and thanks, Mr.
Mutabaruka. One of the best call me after a long while. Give time, good talk. Yeah?
No, that's why I stay a bit, because the caller before did I say you have to have cat, but a patient you have to have.
Yeah, man. Give thanks, Bridget.
So respect and thanks again, Mela.
Yeah, man. Give thanks to Carl.
Big up Mr. Dwight Fraser, see me here.
No, why am I big up Dwight Fraser? You know him? Him gone? A Shane Clark will work with Bridget. Well, maybe I have a reason why I'm saying Dwight still. Anyway, yeah, that
Dwight a good youth, man. So in this big up, man. Yeah, man.
Oh, you mean, man, if I good youth? But those are good youth, man. Look here. The youth, they talk great. Great talk. Trust me, great talk. Good talk. I play that song for the youth who just called me a while ago. Yeah, that the youth talk about. Nobody know want to plant corn, but my program want to read the band. A serious thing. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Good night, Mota, and the rest of the world.
Good thanks, man. Give thanks.
Yes, people. Mota, I get you understand that the cockroach and vomit from people rights don't squat the disaster of the people there.
The cockroach have vomit from the people them rice?
Yes.
Where you get that from? Where you get it from?
I hear from Kabu program.
Okay.
That they must say who have wall. No forget no. What they come now? If they have wall, let people them roof blow up. So if he come,
wait, man. Who have wall? What who have wall?
They must say no. Whosoever president live in a building where have wall, no need no supply. But
why? Why them
you don't know? That's why I say it's a cockroach of vomit for the people in right. You understand?
Hold on, man. You're confused, my man. What the cockroach of the people in right have to do with the wall?
Good. On Kabu program Sunday.
Yeah.
Some people calling from Kabu program.
Cockroach of
vomit from people right.
That's how the person tell Cabo.
No, me put in my direction card.
They will not talk straight, Bridget. No, you have to say Cabo.
But a person like that, Mota.
No, hold on.
Proverb Mota.
Yeah, me what him talk like say him said. Like something that go on down there.
Yes, Mota.
Yeah.
How can people house that blow off? And through their house make a concrete, right?
Yeah.
You go tell them, well then, if they house a concrete, them don't need no help.
A joke
that is
business.
the part me not like. That's why I say cockroach that vomit from people right.
All right, sir.
Yes.
A joke business.
Yeah, man. Because listen, you know. This thing happen when it touch everybody. Right?
Yeah.
But it also touch me too.
All the people about to blow off it and touch them.
Right.
Yeah.
As me I say now, things like this now, and some people look with scuffle off and suffering people, you know.
I'm not liking a virgin. See, next thing again to the matter, well, then, if you don't know land, this, that, and that, and that. What do I ask now, you see?
If you don't have no land, what and what and what? This, that, where you
can't. If you don't know land for sure, like, you know, land proof for sure, people for sure.
If you don't know papers, if you don't know papers.
Yes, for sure, what then they forget assessment. But that is wrong. Because listen now, Urban Criminal Development Corporation, thief on that land, right? When they don't know paper for, man want to build hotel, come from, we don't know where they come from, they give land to build hotel, right? Good. So, and you don't know paper for that, neither too.
Oh, you know, say we don't know paper for it.
Hold on, man. Urban.
Yeah, oh, you know, say the man them want to build the oh, you know, say the man them want come build the hotel and have no paper for the land.
All right. The land with thief when you go outside when they way up two sides of the road, right? I see people in the thief, you know. You understand? Right? Ronald double fence, you know. You get me a deal with, sir?
Me hear what you say, but me not get
yes,
a deal with.
Yes, the people in land thief from them. Yeah. Right? Yeah. Good. I will land the whole of them organize and thief, right? Urban Criminal Corporation. You understand? Good. Next thing again, too. You know, no interest of 60 people in house, but you have interest in people in vote. Or you look at that one in Muta.
Who no have not interest in 60 people in house?
Whosoever in the house of representative to represent who you vote for, so you vote for this man to help you.
Them not want 50 people in house.
Right?
Them not have no interest in fixing the people in house.
Fix the people in the disaster.
Why you say that? Why you say them not have no interest in fixing people in house?
Then, watch the TV, people are complaining, not see nobody. Right?
No, but so you have to say nobody don't have culture, not get no help then.
Muta, so much people can have ball, so much helicopter.
Yes, so much people can have co-op, so much people can have ball. No, but I can't follow that thing that you say, them no want the people fix them house. I don't agree with that, you know, Virgin.
I know me, and them, you know, and them.
Yeah, but right? Them who you talk, me no feel said them no want people house fix.
All right, upon the program here Sunday, man. Sunday man.
I tell you, I don't business where you hear the program. Yeah. You have people down there who's fixing people house.
But people are complaining.
Them people are complaining because for them house not fixed yet. I know everybody house fixed.
But people are telling us enough. Well, I know people are telling us for them house not fixed because them a concrete roof, concrete wall.
No, that's a joke. That's a joke business. That's a joke business. Eh? A joke business that. A joke business that.
So
it's all your door. If your door blow off, you need to get help.
Yes, what may I say I know? You see, we say we are two representative leaders in the country.
Yeah.
One say in a possession and one say in a down possession. Right? The man when I work in opposition, you know, and people position down in and the man I work, you know. I'm in a opposition, you know. Right? So what may I say I know? It look like the other one about his house down the one the properly that thing can't even talk. Until he told him not get in. You understand? Me not like what I want, because if you happen this thing I go on from Pearl, me not like that, you know. You understand? When we say we are representing the country, they must speak up and do what they're supposed to do. All right, if the guy will say when you again, wellness, must you are going to wolfiness. You want a wolfiness, right? That's what you name. Muta, ready here?
May I listen to your virgin?
Yes. Coffee name say wellness, but you want a wolfiness. Good. And if I say the man want a wolfiness, look here. I am the one to speak out against that. The thing's supposed to go right. It look like, you don't know what happened, it look like wellness must have chose him down and told him not girl now. I want them leader that Rasta. People are suffering, right? And you can't get people suffering like a joke thing. Eh? Look one in full command and go on like so when they're not bathing in soap and water. You understand? And this is the thing I do not like Muta don't want to come to your program because the people want to make a talk. You get me, sir?
Yeah, man, I listen to your bridge. May I get a chance to talk?
Anyway, Me don't want to say much, because this thing hurt me so much.
True.
Yeah,
so,
man.
Warm to your house. Anyway, blow down, blow off.
Well, move to my house now, me have to lay through the kind of, you know what I mean?
No, me don't know what you mean.
It can have concrete. I mean, want to the people that suffer.
No, but you have concrete. You have concrete house blow down too, you know. You have concrete house blow down. I have concrete house where the water reach clear up at out from under the ground and way up on top of the sink. The
but at least it turn up. At least it turn up.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the man them know it turn up on the element of the night Joe and the star and sun.
Yeah.
Under the star at night time and night Joe. Under the plastic again too. You understand?
So you have anybody in your house? You help anybody in your house? Anybody in your house where you help?
Well, Muta, me here a kind of suburban area, you understand?
What kind of area? What kind of area?
I want to make it go suffer people in here all this stuff.
All right, I have to move then. At 12 o'clock, I have to move, yeah?
Good.
All right, yes.
Brothers and sisters, this is Chalice. Cutting head sharp.
Yes, today I will do. You know, say, for those of you who are plant vegetable, you better start to juke it from now, you know. Because we have some rain here where we just keep the sucker them rise up and they see them bust out quick. So if you go plant back your things them, you better start from now, like what the Virgin talk about him can them. Yeah, man. Yes, that's what I say, because them price of me I see people are selling them for. And hurricane cause them things for they know, you know. Because them things they just get big. So if I say I'll tomato and them something another thing, that means it never get affected. But as usual, man I take vengeance. You know, man I capitalize off of when can capitalize off of. Because a little more you might not have none until maybe, depending on where you plant, vegetable, callaloo and them something at 6 weeks. Cabbage and things. And then really take a little longer. But you're going to feel it a little more, especially in the holiday where I come up here now. I will tell them just postpone Christmas, you know, that's that. I will tune them. I have a tune names. I will look for a tune.
They never do positive. They find a joy in making people business their own.
Sweet rendition. Sweet rendition, man, may I tell you. So Jamaican music take life all over the place. And we have to play them, yes. Okay, so, yeah, I feel so them should have postponed Christmas like here, yeah, because the people them don't have nothing. No, man, they postpone Christmas. Serious thing. Yes, that me I say, yes, heal.
Blessed.
Yeah. Blessed.
Oh yeah, what I go on?
Cutting edge.
Yeah.
Long time I don't hear you, man. Long time I don't hear you.
Yeah, I know me that there. In China, yeah. You forward instead. Yeah. Motor. Well, what I think going on since is better than Westmoreland and them place. Place mash up style. Go down there, I tell you, you know.
Terrible mash up.
Yeah, place mash up. But them thing we are going, you know, I just show up the politician them, you know. Because you can't believe, say, if the entertainer them never step out. And I can't believe, say, the politician them on TV or international TV, I tell the media them said them ready. And when the thing strike, they're going to so much delay that if I never all entertainer them turn up on anything there, I don't know what they're really going on. You know? Because I say on the TV where one day before the hurricane, man a clean drain. You say them a clean drain and with backhoe and all kind of thing, and you know,
just show the representative of them people, you know. That's why I always say, Jamaica want a leader with vision, general. See, a leader with vision, and Jamaica want a strong constitution from the people. When politicians thief taxpayers' money, them can go to prison or hold them accountable, my general. See? Because when you look on the whole thing, I know the whole thing angle. See? And the day before I watch from my computer, now I watch from my laptop. The opposition, them ask the government, not the parliament, if everything ready and I mute the mic. They mute the mic. And them are the representatives of the people. You know. See, them are the opposed. Them supposed to show what going wrong and them look in there. Or ask question or what. See, and what them do? Them turn off the people the mic. And then now, the same day or the next day, you know, you see them so them are the little hurry and fix and so them are clean drain and them are the country not run someone. See, it's just like how the man have a way with them dig up. Me I go see you, see, go check our artists over there. And me the artists are reason when we are come from see you. The man said, them dig up the place, you know, before election, you know, the road to go in and see you there, you know. And the man said, them cut out the thing. And all the man have to do is have a truck where same time them cut it out. Them just full back the place. See, Barber Green. Full back the whole them when them cut out. The man said them left the whole them, you know, from before the election, you know. And all now, if you are going to see you, as you are going to see you, the road leading to see you, a big rut and vehicle, swipe and vehicle, accident and all kind of thing happen. See, the man show me, you know. See, man's like a two tag and war with two politicians over there. One I try to make one look bad. Seeing card, the one they like on the government side, but the one where the MP him on the opposition side. Seeing so like the match is a tag and war. So none on the road now fix. Seeing I if you ever see how the road stay start. Seeing me I tell you say, Brethren, Jamaica run it, they run them with them. Then now, the man them draw up a thing to deal with this hurricane thing. And then no opposition in the thing. Then they put no opposition in the thing. So it's like that one-sided thing. So what go on? No, you don't know what go on. Then now go, yo, Jamaica running now. When you look now all NEPO now, we are the agency saying for them thing here. They move the man where they head and put a soldier in there. See? And them people will know about doing them thing there. And General, you know, Jamaica runs, you know, Jamaica need a leader with vision, my General. See? You can't just have leader with PR, we are PR thing now going away, you know. If you just come like every day you get up and say, I got IRFM motor, see? And you die your yard. And when you do, you go down the late. And when you go down there, you say, oh, look at job. You go down the late. And then you come back and I tell your woman, say, you know, so I go down the boat, one of the boss down in the line. And you go down there again, you go down there, when the place now open and you leave. And it's just PR, the man PR, and anytime anything happen, a man try to fix it on a different level, like talking, say, yes, they more do this or blame somebody. And Jamaica can't run someone. Just like how Bujo spend a whole heap of money. A whole heap of money Bujo spend enough. See, you think for full one of them 737 there. 737 a big plane, you know. See? And I'm more than one demand, see, and the man a talk about what them think they were missing. And them take on the man and that's it. Man should have called him like politician I said the man that call him like him a police. See, if you miss your thing, you call politician a legislator, you know. Politician and a police, you know. See, and you take over the thing on one piece of rape and social media with them go for PR. When the people them don't so are suffer. See, at them thing them see I go on, I just PR. Country can't run someone. You have an active man. You see me? So when we look on the whole thing now, I say, to tell the people I'm already, you know, so the only thing can make Jamaica move, you know, is a constitution from the people.
Hold on. We have to take a break. We have to take a break. Break time.
Yeah.
Hey, you, and you, listen up. Sunday, November 23rd, 2025, Bengo presents Back in Times at Liz Bengo Place, Monique St. Anna. Yes. Come vibe to classics from the late 60s, 70s, 80s, and early 90s. Music by Black Princess, alongside Bossy Killer, DJ Fire Sean, and DJ Pops. Admission free. Come for the music. Stay for the vibe. You must be 18 or older to drink responsibly.
Are you living with HIV? Jamaica AIDS Support for Life can help you feel confident about your future. With antiretroviral therapy, or ART, people living with HIV can lead healthy, normal lives. Get on ART, get back to business, and reclaim your life today. Contact Jamaica AIDS Support for Life at 876-925-0021 to begin your HIV treatment.
Path of the National School Feeding Program to Heart and STA Trust and JADEP, programs like these were built on data from the Jamaica Survey of Living Conditions, JSLC. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin is now collecting data for the 2025 JSLC, and we need you to participate. If your household is selected, welcome the Statin Interviewer. The JSLC provides data that matter. Visit statinja.gov.jm to learn more.
While driving through Jamaica, there's only one radio station I listen to. IRIA FM.
Well, time I do you know more, it shocked me, you know. It shocked me. Yes, E.L. Virgin.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
General. You remember one time I had a reason. I'm not sure you said most of the people were dead in COVID. Them dead for hungry. Most of them, you know, where them said dead from COVID. In Jamaica, dead the people them dead for hungry.
Because them can't go out.
Yeah, them can't go out, and some of them are street people. See? Okay. And them run them in some place where them can't come out on the street. And them not have no way to get food. See? Because I remember one time we go down, never feed some of them, you know. And when we go back down, never feed them. And them I tell me, say, who dead, call them have some little name with them call them. See, like some pet name. And I say, them are the people, all them people. See, but when we start to about the situation now, I say, I'm hungry the people dead, Sam. See, because when we look on it now, 520 million. See, the IMF give the people, I talk US, you know, to deal with this COVID thing, you know. And people forget money weekly, you know. See, and when you look on that, only few of the people them get about $10,000, you know. And a man lock it down for 2 years and get $10,000. This is how them people are dealing with things. Don't you say, you know. See, I'm going to tell a man, say, my niece, when on my birthday, na COVID, and send money come give me, and tell me, say, out of COVID money. See, so she get a Canada. See, so me look at them things that I say, them out there. See, but when me look and see all the generator where the people are sending up from Belgium, you know, because you know, Belgium used to deal with the bus system there. See, that's the first bus system. A Belgium build all the thing there.
The bus park.
Yeah, the bus park, you know. See, and Belgium quickly send down 409 generator. See, come get the people, and man say, him a rent him have a rent generator.
Who have rent them?
For him give the people the generator.
Who said them have a rent them?
No, the Prime Minister say him will lease, him will loan them, man.
No, they don't say rent.
Yeah, loan. See? Him will loan them.
Yeah, because let me hear, me never hear rent.
Yeah, lend. See? And the generator, them come to the people. See, you know, give the people who come for them, man, and just give them, man. The whole hand for nothing, man, you just give the people and just give them. See? So you see, when you look at them people, it reach a level now with them people that feel like them are God to Jamaica, them are God to the people. See, because you get something for that, and you are that. Yeah, a little lend. See? So just show you say, I see him so the money go all like COVID. See? Don't worry, no. When they bring back the generator, them whatever them are bring them. The people them wait down the place, thief them out, how to sell them, how them to go, and then nobody no get generator, See? You can't want a leader vision in general. You don't want a leader where
yeah, well, my thing is that them should have plant the generator them in schools, community centers, hospital, other little places where you know say even if you know hurricane and light gone, them supposed to have generator they are run.
Yeah, you can't go to charge a phone or bill.
Yeah, you can set up the generator in a way where nobody can go trouble it. And unless it's the man who are going to put gas in there, oil in there or something, and lock it back like how telephone company have things on the road there where they have to open it to go in there. But the community them need to have, you know, the school them especially, the school them. Because like that
Ghana. Generator.
Eh?
Every school have a generator no more.
Yeah, that's when GPS, you know, a thief them own electricity. They know
and every school supposed to can buy a generator because Muta, I don't know if you know about graduation.
School can buy a generator.
Alright, I'll show you something. You see all that graduation time?
Yeah.
Every school they make a whole for money, you know. School you see there, you know.
Yeah, but maybe they use it and do something else, but if
how much a generator? So. A generator about 80,000 a good generator, you can get a good generator for
$80,000. $80,000, man.
See?
$100,000. 200. But when I say, when I talk about the price side now, I say, the government. Because you said about $1,000 generator.
Yeah, it's supposed to about loan.
No. And then when the hurricane go, you take it and carry go pack it up somewhere. And it now use.
And then the people when you pack it up, no, sell it out. Because that's how go on, you know.
No.
Or them give who them want give and all them things. You know, we need some leadership in Jamaica, man. And that's what see? Yeah, I like how the entertainer them, you know, deal with it. Every man put in them part, you know. Every man play a part. See, you know, that may I tell you, say, you say music thing, I hit a whole up Jamaica, you know. Yeah, entertainer thing, a whole up Jamaica, and a backside and some little thing where some man are borrowing about. See? Because them just take a backside and go build there something and all them things there. See? And we start using backside and start build things and sell. See? And build up Jamaica. So Jamaica will build, you know. Jamaica now go build from you get some US dollar and you spend back the US dollar at China or you spend it back at America or Canada. Jamaica can't build so, you know. See, because Jamaica import 6 times the thing we to export. See, me don't know no country build away there. Any country we don't have nothing to sell. Me don't know it gone away. You know any country we don't have nothing to sell gone away, Muta.
Well, me know say America is one of them places where consume more than how them produce. America.
They consume more than how them, but them businessman, them outside have people outside that work cheap and produce things outside and pay America tax. You understand what I say?
Yeah, but them still is consumed. That's why I lick them now.
See, like you have Michael Jordan now.
Them need to produce more
things.
Him have
company in China. Seeing we are build him shoes then. Seeing
everything built in China.
Everything built in China. So that me
Donald Trump Bible them making in China.
In China.
At them with them and make America great at China they make.
Yeah, through the cheap labor.
Yeah.
See? And that Mr. the man I do down at Jamaica. That's why the China flap down here, you know. Cause a China can run a store. See, I make $5 million for the week. How much you think him paying workers then? He would have 5 or 6 workers. See, he not pay more than 100,000. See, for the people them, the people them we are created, yeah, and make it. See, because I go down the wholesale there, we go down the wholesale thing there, you know. See, when we watch the girl them at the wholesale, at the same people them like me and you will come they combine after a tick them, you know.
Yeah.
For them thing keep going, you know. Because them say the little way them get from the China that can't help them. And when I tell me say something to one of the Chinaman, I say, why not pay more like how people do overtime? And the Chinaman said, no, government say we must pay them that minimum wage. See? I'm look at me say, I'm see how the girl in my work, them can't even, none of them can sit down, you know. See? Yeah. And when them get them lunch hour, you know, them have to come back and time, you know. See? So, when we look on the whole thing now, that me see I go on to Jamaica, see, even the card center and all them all underpay the people. See? That's why most of them flock here. See, we want to get Jamaica on a level like Singapore, where we have built things and make things.
Yeah, well, Singapore not a democratic country, you know.
No, but
I
want to say, you still can't tell Singapore say them the democratic neither, you know. It's just a one party I rule Singapore from Singapore. Yeah, see, them but them run
thing like
them run them election.
Constitution. Yeah. Anyway, we have to move though.
Yeah, man, anyway. I'm blessed up my birthday. See, you know my birthday call you all the while, Muta.
Which one are they?
See, I'm going to call you tonight.
The one from foreign, eh?
No, the one down here. Why, which one? No man didn't go, the next one.
I'm going to call already.
Oh, I'm called already?
Yeah. He might have talked to the car and him talk to them.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Man, yeah.
And Shane big up, yeah?
Yeah, man. Shane,
yeah, man, bless
yeah.
While driving through Jamaica, there's only one radio station I listen to, Irie FM.
Well, man, that surprised me. What are that surprised me? Yes, EL.
Yes, Rasta.
Blessed man.
Well, I tell you, what the brethren just discussed a while ago, basically where I did want to talk about.
Okay, so enough about to talk then.
No, man. However, my main concern about the people in the West and Senti is about them health.
Yes.
Up till now, I don't hear the big man them come out and say nothing. Me, I wonder why them not go for the people and put them in arena or stadium. Left the man them done there to build back the community. Have some kids in a class, 40, 50 pitney a day. 5 to read a book. Make them life continue. Because this whole heap of dry food and sit where we are pack up a car go down there. I mean, giving them those things is good, but they need cooked food.
No, man, the people don't carry back. Hold on there. I carry bag of rice go down there, you know. And I don't go dry food. I don't go dry food go down there.
There's no stove to cook it pan Muta.
No, man, wood fire down there, man. Man, I cook, man. Where at man?
Well, my concern is the people need to get cooking.
No, I know so only for dry food I go down there, you know, but it's not only dry food I go down there, virgin. Trust me.
I know that Rasta, because I come drop off some things and
all right, see there.
The place full. So I know that. But when the ISS still in a motor, you see, if them continue like that, a big virus are going to break out down there. No?
Yeah, what if a disease?
Yeah, the man them need to assess the people them. Left the man them down there. Assess the mothers them. To find out what really go on and who lost.
But the thing is with the water, you know. The water, the problem, you know. When the water start to sickle, you know. and mosquito and all them something there start to rise up out of the water there. It's not lovely.
Rasta.
Yeah, not lovely.
And that me I talk about, you know. So, the man them we say them love with, up to now, me don't hear nothing out of them.
Who say them love with? Which man them we say them love with?
Bro, God, them man.
You hear him say him love with?
You know, you feel intelligent.
No, you hear bro God say him love with. You never hear like that.
We have to my people.
They don't know me say him love you. That's how king talk, you know. Kings and queens say that, you know.
That's a reality. But me get a joke, Muta. I never want to bring it up, but me have to bring it up. I'm a Sentan man, you know. And I went to Easter again, March or April. One of them was them, no remember. Anyway, I see a man I go through in a white van with a yellow plate on it. So me I said to one of my workers, I say, how will a man there doing that van there? The man say, a bun and cheese them as you man. So me I say, anyway, I left off at one location and go up on the next location. I bump him up back. So I slow down and I say to the man, say, Mr. Davis, you want them bun and cheese in a man? The man stand up and look for me. And look for one woman where I deal with. And the woman said, no, he not forget none, he not forget none. His father gets already, he not forget none. As a big man here where Davis said to the woman, him a what, PNP? Yeah, but just drive a Rasta, because if bun and cheese are for every man, why a man have to single out a man? I say if a man a PNP or if a man a labor, right? Bun and cheese are for all of us, so I write someone who say them in love with them corrupt, you know?
That's why for sure say PNP and JLP, you know, you can't really work with them at all.
You know that me I tell you, man.
That's why I'm afraid of me, you say, them I get how much money you so, how much money you so, and them I get how much things they so, and it must come under one. The Prime Minister said it must come under one umbrella.
One umbrella for them, have it for them future.
For the umbrella, them have a hole in it.
Yeah. Why you make me laugh, Rasta? But the reality still, the man that needs to move out the people and find done a senti. See up at the stadium or the arena?
No, well, no stadium. What me suggest, don't suggest already to them should have put them in a places like that, you know.
Yeah, man.
Put them in a places like that, contain the people them.
Make the mothers them cook and clean and put something in a class, man. If I'm to read a book, then future continue. But this spinning around business, talking foolishness from the media, saying this and saying that, it's not going to work because no assessment not done.
Well,
that means to say for the next 10 years, them just go and care things good on, care and nothing not done.
Well, what you know, that is the next problem, you know. Now, everybody around go down there, you know, but after a while, it will go peter out. You know that? And then now, you know, but you see them things the way them carry go down there, it now going to last 5 years. And trust me, you talk about that amount of time, forget them things they back into normal, see? Everybody have them house, water, light, and all them something there. Watch a man, let me tell you something, man. You have some road in Jamaica, we want to fix you all 10 years.
And nothing.
And no hurricane to that. I just press out and use up on them thing there. And you call politician every day, council every day. Nothing. You know, right now I struggle for one down at the bottom of my road, you know. It's a big hole. The last time I look through the hole on the road and I see the river. What I say? And it's a road where travelers go, you have to drive this up. You have to drive that road there. For go through the junction, for go to Portland and go to Lawrence Stafford, Glenlaugh and them thing there. Me I look in at the road because you have a river where I run round at the side of my place there. And when the man them go around, if go get sand, they drive them big truck and press down the sand and the water run in at the middle of the road. And trust me, man, before them fix it the last time, which is about 4 times before, when you look in at the hole on the river, on the street, you see the river, and now me see the next one up at the top. I dig out. People have to drive on the other side of the road. When you come down 2 lane, people have to stop and make the other side pass, and then them go. It's terrible.
In a time like this, when we say we are go first world.
Who are go first world? Who are go first world?
That me the man them say they want to go republic.
No, that's not first world. Republic don't mean first world. Where my talk about now is the 2030 vision, where everything digital and go AI, and you know use no cashless society and them something there. Jamaican people not ready for that.
No, we're not ready for that, Rasta.
And them
try to imitate that thing where them can't control.
Yes, it's a thing where identification is the thing now, you know. Identification. You know, really? Identification. You have certain country right now, believe you me, they have certain country where if you cross the road, they have a thing named jaywalking, and you're supposed to get $20 for jaywalk. By the time you reach cross the road, that $20 take out of your bank account already.
You don't have to tell me.
And you don't know. By the time you go down and say, wait, $20 drive, you see $20 jaywalking. Any crime where you commit. And
it go against you. You have to pay a penalty.
Yeah, and it pay without you even know.
Know that.
It's just when you go check your bank account.
Without you even know, say you get one.
Oh gosh, man, may I tell you. So, and that them I try put in here so no one has set it up. That's, you know, them way there. Because
finally, finally, you see, the farmers them. As I say, man, the man they need to left the man them to build back. The man they need to get the equipment and whatsoever needed and push off at the farmer them. This bag of dilly-dally thing and make impressive talk and attraction talk to the people. They need to focus on the farmers them to build back the community, to make the things start grow up. As I said, 3 weeks grow, the 6 months grow, that 1 month grow, that have the thing going.
You want to hear something radical? Me think say them a 1,000 odd man in a GP. Them should take out some man out of the prison. Now maybe 200 a day. Now when I got 200, that when I got Monday, 200 the next one. And carry them, go up on some of them place. Go farm.
You know that me a Rasta?
Farm. Just like when they have the, remember when they build the railroad them in America?
Yeah.
And you have people that watch them. You have security that watch them. And man I try to escape, him can't escape. Them have them man up on the farm here right now, some land whenever you usually have farm. And now is the right time to take them man there, make the man them farm the land. Get them out of the prison.
Because, believe you me, you see the Chinese them when them have their construction.
Yeah.
A prisoner them, you know. Prisoner them don't take from China. And man out there monitor them same way.
That's all like Columbus bring peer murderer come on, yeah.
You know that, me I tell you. That's why the Babylon certain system can't cut out. Because the man them where we elect are the people them elect. No, we can't no vote Rasta. Where the people them elect. We stand up for them. And them see a man they cut them right back down.
But and the people them elect the Prime Minister, you know.
The Prime Minister they elect themselves.
No, I'm party elect him. You never, watch out. The Prime Minister they're on the ballot, you know.
That's true.
Yeah. It's the party. You vote for the party, you know, but Jamaican people vote for the, say him like the Prime Minister, say no business ways. Yeah, work for now. The Prime Minister I work for, and it so happened that is the Prime Minister, Andrew, is the Prime Minister, and that people. When people are going to vote, them not vote for the party. Them vote for the Prime Minister. Well, I say vote for the Prime Minister, you know what I mean? Say, it's that them think about the Prime Minister, who them want to be Prime Minister. But I know them elect the Prime Minister. I know them elect the Prime Minister.
But what's on the Rasta? You see, since COVID, as me a year virgin, because me a listening, you know, every point to me want to touch, you know, so we not touch that. But you see, since COVID, is a different Jamaica run, you know, because the Prime Minister, he might act like say, he might full appearance, you know.
Like
anything him say, that he wants to happen in the Rasta.
Like him are the king.
Like him are the king.
Yeah,
if they call him name right now, he might say, what am I going to call me name? I'm going to find him.
Yeah, me not call him name, I say baby Trump. A baby Trump me call him. Baby Trump. Yeah, them go lock down America. Yeah, them go lock down America tomorrow and next day.
Me know, man.
The people them go lock down everywhere. No shop, no fast food, no this, no that.
Not at all.
Yeah, them go lock it down. Anyway, I'm go see. Anyway, we have to move, Virgin.
Yeah, man. Bless up yourself, Rasta.
Yeah, man.
I watch you, man, same way.
Yeah, watch you, man.
Okay,
so you're near Irie?
Yeah, then I mean take care of Irie while you know water out the man.
So
my name is Abel, you know. One Irie, man.
So you full up down that things already?
Yeah, man.
Because I can't do it from here, so you know, because I don't come down and watch you again still. But
yeah, Simone called me and set up the place, you know.
Yeah, we carry things go down, what I'm call it?
Yeah, man.
There more road.
But the place now run good, Rasta. We have to know. We don't know. But we talk.
All right, sir. Give thanks, yeah?
Yeah, give thanks.
Yes. Okay. I tell you, say, because so used to the one advertisement. Every time I expect advertisement, I will hear the advertisement, and that's a serious thing. But, oh, yeah, rotten. Why? Give thanks for telling me, you know, we just remember, rotten, yes. Give thanks for telling me, no. Anyway, you have to fit. Yeah, you have to fit, no, you have to fit, yes, EL.
Yeah. Yeah, Muta.
Yes, sir. Oh, you know, man thing.
Yeah, all right, you know, and thing. Yeah. Listen, first of all, we just want to send condolences to the family of a very, very good sister, Lena Stevenson, originally from Whitfield Town and Greenwich Town, who died yesterday, Wednesday, at Charing Cross Hospital, Hammersmith, West London, you know, and thing. Very, very well-known sister in London, Northwest End, you know, Kensal Rise, Halls, and Stonebridge, and thing, you know. She was sick for quite a number of years, and it's up to last week, Tuesday, I saw her and thing, at a night, and she passed, and is a sister, you know, all of the reggae artists like Keith Slim Smith, Delroy Wilson, Ken Bood, you name them, Delroy, you know, when them used to come out this country in the 60s and 70s, she used to help take care of them and all, provide accommodation and them thing. The Lena Stevenson from Stonebridge, you know, originally used to go Whitfield Town School and things. Same?
Yeah, man. Let me ask you a question. The food we are going in Ireland.
And I tell you, what a Jamaica greatest guitarist, man, Dougie Bryan, who play with Maytals and band, and Sly, and Ansel Collins, them revolutionaries and thing, Radcliffe Bryan, them call him Dougie. He will be buried this Friday, the 21st, in Fort Lauderdale, USA. See? Some more people to know that, you know?
Okay. Yeah, may I ask you now?
Yeah.
I see a flood that go on in Ireland or somewhere, up in North England, so where water reach all, cover car and all them something there. Is which part of England that are going?
Is in the rural area that happened, you know?
Somebody
not London.
No, I know London. That are right. I see some picture of them. I tell you, it's unbelievable that carry water reach up at them place there.
Yes.
One about flood, boy. The flood is devastating.
Because recently, you know, you hear them talk about storm and thing. You have storms we occur here in England regularly, you know.
Yeah.
You see? So is that type of situation, you know what I mean? Where you have all houses get flooded out and that type of thing on streets. Just like when you say when you see the levels of the water where engulf the places, you say, wait, you mean really England that happens? But it's really true, you know what I mean? Really true.
The daughter who said me say South Wales and Monmouth. She said that's where she come from. South.
Yeah. So Wales, because Wales is near to Bristol, and Bristol is a city in England and them things going that side.
Monmouth.
Yeah, Monmouth. Yeah. Monmouth. Yeah.
Well,
yes,
the thing that when me I look on it, man. Monsieur was Jamaica. She had show me, you know. Monsieur was
Jamaica.
Yeah, Monsieur was Jamaica. She had show me. I'm so weird. What kind of building them this? How me look? England torrented. Me I tell you.
Yeah, man. A serious thing.
Flood, man.
Yeah, man. Because only per time, you know, the rivers them overflow and things.
I'm not Jamaica. That I go on Jamaica, you know.
Yes. And it's a serious thing. Because as you say, it can take about 5 years or so for some kind of normalcy return to the western parishes there like St. Elizabeth, St. James and things, and Westmoreland, you know, like where you say, you know. And already we see politicians, them, PMP and JP, I mean, politicize the issue and it's people's lives at stake. You know? And you see the thing that we touch about the digital thing, it's a serious thing because, as you know, it's a tool for dictatorship, you know.
Yeah, well, control. Them know it's, you know.
Yeah, man.
Them know your movement.
The one who started to push it, initiate it in England, in Britain, was the boy Tony Blair, you know. And people did revolt against that. And then him look crony, who is now the present Prime Minister, Keir Starmer, try introduce it again, you know, digital ID thing. And people revolt against it, both marches and petitions and things that him have to take for himself. Yeah, man, him try to introduce it again just a few weeks ago, and people realize it's a tool of dictatorship to control people. That means that your money will no longer be your money, you know.
Yeah.
You see, that's why they want to have a cashless thing, you know. That means, you know, no evidence that you have money, you know, and thing. It's a dictatorship like where them have in China, where them give you so-called score. So that means if the politicians don't like you,
3 strike you out.
You finish.
3 strike. Them can't. All right. If you do certain things and them look at you, it register and you can't go on a plane. You can't take no bus.
Exactly.
Because them have everything digitized in the bus. Them not take no cash.
Yes.
You just have a card.
That kind of system them have in China, and where Keir Starmer was trying to introduce the digital ID, and which we must not allow Andrew Onis to implement this in Jamaica, and people with sense in Jamaica rightfully see this as a tool of dictatorship, and we already see how him go on. Like a dictator, like him want to tell people what to do, and you not to disagree with him and that type of thing, you know. And so that means if you talk against him, you will be penalized.
Wait, hold on. Let me say something to you. You see, if I know, say, life and property would be in such as there are certain living standard, and you can live a certain way, like people, like so you can't get your food, you have your house, your land and all them something there. I don't care if them want have a cashless society. You know, see, I don't have nothing to hide. I don't have nothing to do. If my family and friends live in a state where your food, clothes, shelter, entertainment, sports, and all them something there, all right, I don't mean that it's a cashless society. You know, see, I just see it.
That's how we disagree with you. I business with that because the cashless society, while I hear what you said with that, is used as a tool at the same time as a two-edged sword to control and dictate all aspects of your thing. It's not a matter of you know have nothing to hide. There are a lot of things that are personal to people. That is not a case of no have nothing to hide. Your certain personal business is your personal business, your personal freedom and liberty. You know what I mean?
Well, I tell you my position.
And what I'm saying is that you can have food provided, place to live, etc., without it being done in a dictatorial way. Because food is provided, for example, for prisoners, and a place for them live provided to prisoners too. So, we now go the way about say, because certain material things would be provided, no business about it. No, I don't want no cashless society because I know that is a tool of dictatorship where some people would call mark of the beast type of thing to control the aspect of people's personal life. And people have a right to personal privacy when they come on to certain things. And that should not be subject to the authority or dictatorship of politicians who themselves are corrupt. You know what I mean? Because as the saying goes, you know, power tends to corrupt and absolute power corrupts absolutely. Right. And that is what a cashless society means in terms of being a tool of total dictatorship.
All right.
Which I am totally against.
Hold on. In Europe, you see,
yes.
For instance, now we are in certain Scandinavian country. Them gone cashless already. And you have prison where you have no wall. You know now you have wall-less prison. And them standard of living is much better than the society them call themselves capitalists. Like America, England and all them places. Them standard of living gone way up there so. You know see it?
No, but Muta, but now we are still a capitalist society.
No, but I say that you have societies in up there. Now how much country you know have prison without walls? How much country you know say well crime is not a problem? You have countries in a European countries where crime is not a problem to them. Doctor, if you want to go doctor, that don't take care already. You know,
no, but hold on. You see now we when you talk about them push the cashless society thing. Yeah. I know that and thing, but at the same time, you have people in Britain, including myself and other countries in Western Europe, who don't support no cashless society.
No,
for the reasons that I just outlined.
But we
understand what I'm saying?
You watch out. Me not say enough. Me not say if you support it, you know. Me just show you say a whole heap of country that have this thing here. Them crime is not as much. Them do have no. What them call it doctor problems. If them go a doctor, them know say taken care of. You know if you have afraid where you get doctor medicine from and all them something there. And them is not stuck up on boy right now. You know.
Well, make I tell you something. You use Norway as an example. The thing about Norway is that Norway's population is relatively small, and they have a lot of natural energy resources that them use for that small population. So I understand. I mean, not understand. I know why Norway have a high standard of living, given the gas and oil thing that they have and a small population as compared to other countries. And you talk about warless prisons. I mean, prisons without wall and thing. But remember in our mother Africa, Muta, from our history, in Africa we never have prisons.
Yeah, but we have prison now. We have to work with the prison now. We can't.
No, then hold on. Then if in Africa, originally our motherland, we never did have prisons. Why we have to have prisons now?
They don't see why.
But you just a quote say Norway to have prisons.
No, I never said them to have prisons. I said walls without prison. Sorry,
walls without prison.
Sorry, prison without walls. Sorry, prison without walls.
Prisons without walls.
Yeah, I said to you.
But you can't have that kind of system too.
Where in Africa you can't have that now?
Not immediately, but just like in Norway, you never did have that before. Because remember, you never did have that before, you know.
Yeah, and them have it now.
Right. So the same way it go for Norway, it could also go
not when me alive,
not just in Africa, but elsewhere too.
Not in my lifetime. Not in my lifetime.
Not in your lifetime. Well, one never knows. One does to perform. You know what I mean?
Nowhere in Africa, in my lifetime, you're going to have prisons.
Well, honestly speaking, right now, I would not say that would be applicable right now, because you would have to have the conditions created to allow that to happen. So it is true that right now as it is, that would not be feasible. You know what I mean?
One to Singapore.
Well, hold on. You see Singapore? Lee Kuan Yew, you know, did really run Singapore like a kind of dictatorship state.
And it's still autocratic over there. It's still autocratic.
Yes.
So, but less crime, the street them clean, them have produce. You have people, them all import helper over there. So I tell you now, say it's not a capitalist society in all we are like England and America. It's not that kind of society there.
No man, but Singapore still is still a capitalist society, man. What do you mean?
But really, China is a capitalist society too, you know.
Of course, China is a capitalist society.
But not like England and America.
No, but
which our standard of living is built upon England and America.
But they are all capitalist societies. Not Norway, Singapore,
but they are not
USA,
in line.
They are varying degrees, but they are all capitalist societies whereby is the minority
they're not as capitalist
who control most of the world inordinately at the expense of the majority. All of them are like that.
The living
because
standard.
That's a feature of capitalism.
The living standard of the people them I talk about now, you know.
All right, different thing now. Living standard, yes.
The living standard, if you look on England and you look on America, the living standard of those people, the education is much greater and better than these so-called first world countries, not first world, but countries where declare themselves leaders of the world. England and America and all these places. The living standard of the people them is much better. Much better than England and America. And we saw them.
The living, you mean the living standard of people in Norway and Singapore is much better than
China,
the living standard of people in England and the USA. That's what you're saying.
Yes.
Right, but
can't deny that.
But notice, I agree with you. But notice that the populations of Norway
and China
and Singapore
and China
are very, very minute compared to the populations of England and the USA.
So what happened to China?
Of the population
so what happened to China?
A definite factor.
So what happened to China?
A crucial factor.
What happened to China? What happened to China?
Which
China have more people than in America and England combined. So what you say
China do what?
China population is bigger than England and America.
Yeah, China have the second largest population in the world.
So what you say about them?
Yes.
All right. So if you say Singapore is a small country, and now it's up. Is that something now we're not talking about Europe, you know, but make up boil it down.
Yes, I know Norway. No, but what I'm saying is that the standard of living in Norway, for example, is
because of the population
the average Norwegian.
It's small
it's higher than the standard of living than the average Chinese. The average, the standard of living of the average Chinese is not bad, you know. I'm not saying that it is bad and so, but compared to Norway,
compared to America, don't compare.
Standard of living still.
No, don't compare to Norway. Compare to England where you there, and America where me there. The highest, the living standard of the people in China is much better than in England and in China and in America.
Well, no, I would say better than those in the States, but not better than those in England. And I give you one reason. In England, we have a thing called in Britain, National Health Service, which is very, very crucial. And the wicked politicians would want to try to get rid of it and thing. But in the USA, there's no National Health Service, so a lot of people suffer and die prematurely because there's no National Health Service in the USA. While Britain, with all the problems that exist in Britain, the National Health Service has helped with the health of the population in Britain greatly, and which is why people fight to maintain the National Health Service despite the attempts of wicked politicians in Britain to try to get rid of the National Health Service and make it be like the States, where people die in the States because of lack of access to medical facilities.
And that is the richest country in the world.
The National Health Service.
And
there are a lot of people who used to live here, for example, and go live at States. And when them sick and can't afford the bills and things, is Britain them run come back to for the National Health Service?
Brethren, you see, when I say to you now,
yes,
me understand about the control of the people them and the this and the that, like what them call it now, electronic this and electronic that.
Yes. That tag everybody and I watch everybody and know your every movement and your inner thing and
But you see the
which I'm totally against.
But you see the cashless thing now, the cashless thing to me, if my living standard and me don't get up every day when I go to a road, me fret. Because I feel say, gunman are going to miss me, gunman are going to miss somebody and shot me. I drive on the road and a man take over this and gone over the next side where I'm not supposed to go. Boom, him lick down people. People sick and I lay down on the roadside. Downtown, when you go downtown all now, there's people are there down on the roadside and all them something there. Me tell you say, if you take cashless society, to make them think they stop, I'm not going to object to it.
But what I'm saying
to you, policeman,
have to achieve those things by having a cashless society.
Yes, you know why? Because now, anytime you do something wrong, you're easily caught.
Yeah.
You're easily caught.
But listen, even with a cashless society, crime still going to occur and happen.
I never say crime. Well, you can't stop man from commit crime, brethren.
Precisely. So it now go stop crime and
I never say it go stop crime.
What I'm saying, that cashless society should not be used as a bait to implement dictatorship, which is what it's about. Cashless society must not be used as a bait to bring about dictatorship. I'm totally against that by Andrew Wanis or anybody else.
If you have a dictator, if you have a dictatorship government, you see, and a democratic government, and when you look on the
if it's democratic, it's not a dictatorship.
Listen to me, I say, no man. If you have a dictator government and you have a democratic government, and when you look on the democratic government and the country where the democracy are going, is the worst place you can live. When you look on crime, when you look on just madness are going on the road, sickness, housing. I mean, when you look on all of these things, give me the dictatorship. I tell you, give me the dictatorship.
Well, that's for me and you fundamentally disagree. Because what I'm saying is that without a dictatorship, you can still achieve positive things without going the way of a dictatorship.
Well, watch out now. Anytime you get old and in a wheelchair, you show me. Anyway, I could come off of that because we're not going to reach now.
Yes, you know, true.
Yeah. Anyway, we are going to move, though. We are going to move.
All right. Keep strong and think but no dictatorship, no cashless society. Take care. And remember, the Sudan, Muta, don't leave out. We go on to the Sudan, the massacre for our people,
We don't left that out, man. We don't left that out.
Yes, because you see the boy there, the RSF Janjaweed boy there, he and his cronies must be sentenced and executed for them genocidal war crimes. You know, so from outer space and satellite, you can see the blood stains in a Sudan and Fasha, where they commit murder in our people, in the Sudan, our African people, them Arab, Muslim races. We not
read about it. We read about it and see it. Them say satellite, you can't look down and see the blood stain there. See it.
Yes, man. So the boy they must be thing, and the United Arab Emirates will support them and thing.
Yeah.
And you know, you Trump at about want to invade in Nigeria about Christian thing, but you know, you hear my dad at about we have to our people in the Sudan. You understand?
He want war everywhere.
Exactly.
Mexico now, he might look for attack Mexico now too.
Yeah, might look for attack everywhere.
Anyway, we have a move.
All right, blessed love.
Give thanks. So, I wonder if you can grab your last. Because right now, I tell you them again, you know. I'm going for my campaign again, you know. Yes, you talked about it earlier on the program. I'm going for my campaign again about the farming thing, you know. Not including RADA, but on a personal level. Little vegetable is good for, what we call it, self-reliance in your house, in your yard. Self-reliance. Any little dirt. If you don't have no dirt, I have to tell you this thing, and I hear me telling you. Get some rubber tire. I get some of them big 5 gallon. And now you can't get only for 5 gallon because the amount of 5 gallon water when we send God dog out. The amount of 5 gallon water when we send God dog out Westmoreland there. The people are supposed to save the 5 gallon chuck them, cut them in half, and start to plant in them because they don't have no land, you don't plant nothing. So you have the land, you still have the dirt. Plant them in it. You know, say people are think about all that now because things kind of look gloomy and sad. But trust me, them say behind every dark cloud is a silver lining. That's what them say now. At the end of every tunnel light there. And right now, we have to really decide, say, make we just get over it right now and see what we are going to do. Tomorrow, and the next day, and the next day. We will come back to this show, you know. But we say, we're going on the planting again, food, you know. Yeah, we're not going to let it go again, you know. Yeah, now at the time. Yes. So we could take the break and come forward. Break.
Trying to mix up the original.
Iria FM.
Yeah, before we forget, remember the Peter Tosh Symposium that was supposed to be held, and it was postponed because of the weather. Well, it will be held next week, Wednesday. The main library in the University of the West Indies. The Peter Tosh Symposium examining Peter Tosh, revolutionary reggae icon through the lens of the radical tradition of Malcolm X. And the speakers will be Clyde Mackenzie, Dennis Howard, and Michael Barnett. That's the 26th of November, which is Wednesday, from 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Multifunction room, main library, UWI, Mona. So those of you who's interested, go up there and listen. You might just learn something we never know about Peter Tosh, examining Peter Tosh, revolutionary reggae icon, through the lens of the radical tradition of Malcolm X. Yes, we'll play Grab Your Last and Come, you know. We'll play Grab Your Last and Come, so we'll continue play it. Yes, Ill.
Morning, Muta.
Morning, sir.
What go on, man?
Cutting Edge.
Yeah, calling in Long Bay, Portland.
Okay.
I'm talking about the mosquito breeding site. You see, Muta, it's the evening time.
Yeah.
The amount of mosquito will come down, even at Port Antonio.
Yeah.
Because in Port Antonio, choose in a one vehicle. And about in the 6 o'clock. When we look at the time about 6 o'clock, the amount of mosquito.
At that time them come, man. At that time them come.
At that time them come down and them, all in your face them a bite you.
Yeah.
So me I beg you put you over for me tomorrow.
Yeah.
That the health people them can hear. They need to come and do fagging in the area, man.
That me I say. What if people will complain about that now, you know, watch and see. No fight are gonna happen. Mosquito like wow. And other things too. Other things are rise up too.
Muta, they remember that the elderly and the babies.
Yes.
They remember them people mosquito bite. They don't have to wait for a mosquito break out. What you call it now? Dengue. They don't have to wait for a dengue to break out.
Yes.
They can do fagging. Even at the 14th parish, need fagging. Me I call on Dr. Tufton, man. I'm calling on Dr. Tufton.
You are called from Portland?
He's the minister.
You are called from Portland, right?
Yes.
All right, I write it down. All right.
Long Bay in Portland.
Okay. I show you
so me I call on Dr. Tufton, man. He's the health minister. He need to make fagging done in the 14 area. 14 parish.
All right, sir. I'll mention it tomorrow. Definitely.
Yeah, man.
Okay?
Yeah, man. Big up yourself.
All right, sir. Well, up on the last lap, you know, believe you me. Some nice call tonight, yeah, nice call. Thanks for that. Not stressful. Not stressful, believe you me. Never stressful at all. So, tomorrow we're going there again, you know. Tomorrow we're going there again, believe you me. Well, there's some music across the road there, you know. We're about party at the light, yeah. All right, so, make we find a tune, you know. This tune, yeah. We'll come back to this tune, yeah. Take the last break and come forward. Break time. Yes, Ill.
Yeah, Muta?
Yes, Mama.
Muta, my brother.
How you do?
Muta?
May I hear you, man?
Okay, what's up, man?
A long time I don't hear from you, man.
Yeah, man, I'm there about Rasta. I'm there, I watch everything I say, go on, you know?
So you never go back to America?
Muta, with Trump up there, the people them up there, but now do nothing, them I send them home.
Oh,
I school them are there. The whole of the business people, them, the place, them no open because the immigrants are working at them.
Yeah.
The store, them lock up.
Lock up, yeah.
Muta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, me I know what me say. Why we can't have a ghetto park for the ghetto people, them?
Where's a ghetto park, what you mean?
Eh?
What's the difference between a ghetto park and an ordinary park?
Because where the part that Muta after the ghetto people them. If you go west.
But up here ghetto, I don't care ghetto people going at the park downtown.
Eh?
No care up here ghetto people going at the park downtown.
Going at which park? Where the park the Muta? Where the park there?
Oh, you mean where the park there? Where you call Sir William Grand? No park that.
Muta.
What?
One to the kids them.
No, Sir William Grand Park or what?
Max, if you want to them build in a park for the kids them yet.
No, them just build a park.
Eh?
People know them just build a park. You talk about with ride and all them something and slide and them something there.
Yes, Muta.
Okay.
Muta. The era circle park, Muta, where them say them want to build Parliament, Muta.
Yeah.
Muta the park that is already. Downtown people now have nothing.
For park.
The kids them now have not Muta.
Yeah. I agree with you.
And the park where take off stress out of people. Because you're going to go book up on some people, you know, it's a long time.
I agree with you, you know, trust me.
The kids them have got happy.
Yeah.
And I ride and them have them swing, them have them slide, them have them like a pool.
Like a pool? No, you don't want to put no pool in there. You don't want to put no pool in there.
What?
No, you don't want to put no pool in a park downtown, man. Where you talking about?
Muta, easy. We want something like a small little.
Listen to me, man. You don't want to put no pool.
Muta, the pit in the
This is the world you have to pay going there.
Muta, the pit in the Magaru and see go John too regularly.
No,
when
sir. Them go John more and catch disease in the park.
Eh?
Them go John more and catch disease in the park.
No, them all of them have is them live vest motor. And them go and them go there and them can learn to swim.
Anyway, I agree with you with the park still. I agree with you.
Muta, listen now, Muta.
Yeah.
We want a park. We want a circle park.
Apartheid, yeah. Apartheid could have been a children park.
Listen, Muta, the whole lot could be a children park.
You remember where Guinness Gym used to there? On the west side?
Oh?
You remember where Guinness Gym used to there, where the boxing? Them used to have boxing in a hero circuit.
I know what they had them time there.
Oh, right. Well, I over there somebody think on there. Yeah.
Muta, we want a park where we can put.
Me hear what you say, man.
Yes?
Me hear what you say, man. You're not repeat it.
No, man, you not done hear me say it, man. Me say we want a park where we can put all of the athlete things them in there. Well, them over the athletes.
You're talking about a museum. You're talking about a museum.
No museum, Muta. Me talk about you put everything at, you put a track in where the kids them can run.
Yeah.
Muta, you have, I don't know if a football can go in there. But Muta, you have a lot of ride, all them big ride up in the ear.
That means them have to pay go in there then?
No man, I'm going like them gonna have something. As for the part, them for the people, them in
So when who for money I go sustain that part there?
Jamaica money, the whole away. Muta, you remember one time Bob Marley did say, if him can't help a whole heap of people, it's like seem like no work, nothing.
Yeah.
Yes, Muta. So something like that, I want. When I like Bob dream come true, so I love getting kids them.
Yeah, I make them build the park.
And make them, they don't really, them are going to build it, but them are going to be one of that part of the organization.
Organization, yeah.
Yes, you understand, Muta?
Yeah.
You put all of the athletes in them in the park, Muta, where the kids them can't have.
Oh, you mean, so we have to say all of the athlete thing, you like racing and jumping and...
Yes, Muta, Muta. Everything I got there, the Muta.
All right.
And we want a train thing we can go right round like the back.
Right round the park.
Muta, listen to Muta, we want two big hotel in there too.
Where? Which part you talking about? Where? That can't hold on.
Listen to Muta, man. Same place as that Andrew want put the parliament.
No,
we want one from the east side and one from the west side.
So what you going to do with the hero circle? What you going to do with the part where the people them bury? What you going to do with the part where Marcus Garvey and Miss Lou and Dennis Brown?
No, where them part they can't stay. We not switch over them part there.
Yeah, but where you are talking about sound like you want a bigger place than the whole park.
Well, Muta, we can't hold.
Yeah.
We can't hold right now. And that's what we are going to need inside there.
Yeah.
You understand? And Muta, and we are going to make shop on the first floor, go right round where people can rent them.
Okay.
You understand what I say?
Yeah, man, I understand what you say, man.
Yes, Muta, man, we need some help, Muta, because me alone can't, nobody not hear me.
They not hear you know, I'm bully people are hear
Muta,
you.
yes, Muta, but we want it to start.
Money.
Muta, the money, do you know so the money will come after? We have to start, do the talking, and after we do the action.
Yeah, so where you talk, you know, that is good. Where you talk, you know, it's good.
Yes, Muta only one put a parliament. We never make the money. Parliament never make the money.
Well, you have to have a parliament still. Every country have a parliament.
No, Muta, but a parliament is there already. All I'm have to do is re-renovate. Just remodel it.
renovate it.
The kids, the old people, they don't have the apartment motor.
Them should have put the house, garden house up upon the governor general, up on the governor general land there, up at King's house there. And that's what should have.
You know what them can do, motor? Them can move GP and lick down the GP and put parliament on the waterfront.
And where you put the prison of them?
You file the next prison and build it.
Okay. They are going to build the next one and now do.
Yes.
Plan to build the next prison.
And build up South because South wants to build up.
Yeah.
And then put it on the waterfront motor.
Yeah, but St. Elizabeth want come first and all. St. Elizabeth are the first thing I know do.
Yeah, I know that, but you still can't start to talk about this thing.
Well, you talk now.
And Andrew come and come start. Come with the parliament business.
No, them not going to stop that. That done lay out already.
So treat done. So treat done.
You have to find somewhere else.
So it can't change.
Them not going to change it.
Muta, money in the people, them of Jamaica, money in.
Them not going to change it, darling.
Oh, you mean? If we talk to them about it and tell them the right thing.
Our right and for them right are two different things. For our right and for them right are two different things.
But the people them right more I guess it's more important.
Yeah, that's what we are saying.
And Muta, you know what them want to do? Them want to build up place to come say them build it up and build up and put things on them name and them things there.
Well, if them build a partner, that them are going to do too.
Yeah, but Muta is better if them build a park. The park would have worth it more than the parliament.
All right, Mama.
Trust me, because the people them stressed out.
Yeah, very
and
much.
And the things them about go on with the kids them.
Yeah.
Them abuse the kids them. The kids them have so for go out a big Christmas and come them 9 hours for go.
Them want some plant life. Them want some trees and flowers and all them something at the park.
Yes, and I'm also fruit tree we want put in there.
That's why.
Then when the tree them start.
They will pick out the fruit them.
Beer can't have food to eat, and them even them can't pick them and the park people them.
No, you can't fire. No, you can't fire. No, I agree with you about the park. I agree with you about the park, but I agree with you about fruit tree and all them something there. Cause you know that I go now. Pick them up, climb tree and drop off.
At the park, people want to see it.
No, watch your man. I agree with you about no fruit tree.
All right, Muta. All right.
Well, ackee tree and all them things, mango tree.
No.
Mango tree and apple tree.
Like mango and them things.
Apple and all them something there.
Yes.
And them are going to go in and go pick them.
And the people, and the foreigner people, them are come rent it, come rent down there because them have everything and them have everything and the one.
All right, I hear you. Well, keep saying it. But I agree with you with the park thing. I agree with you with the park.
All right. Shane, big up yourself, my brother.
All right. I might hear you. All right. Long time I know you. Why you go again?
Muta, me not go nowhere. Muta.
Yeah.
Muta, me have an idea, yes, Muta. But that's who me not come out of the outset, Muta. Muta, you see this Muta where just one. The people that love it, Muta, because...
Love what?
One material to start build up at them place and them things, Muta.
You know what? That not gonna Westmoreland, man.
Muta. You see the material, yeah? Really can't do it nothing.
Which material?
Me.
Which material?
Muta, I'm a business, Muta. I'm going to tell you over.
Are you a business?
Yes.
Let me think I have a friend.
Is that right?
I mean, I think I have a friend, man, a friend.
Of course. We are brothers and sisters. We are more than friends.
Then that man say, well, last you see my cousin.
No long time. Where am they? Where should they?
She know they are foreign, man.
Okay. And 12 they are foreign too.
12 now come back here, man.
None of them now come back here. Them better pray for them better pray Trump man, them no hold them.
Them left you, I mean, them just deport them.
Eh?
Them just deport them.
Muta, them sometime, them wicked and get time.
Yeah, so, you go to a country where you don't know about.
Muta, them what thing when name again? Them, you come back inside of the country and them no know?
Yeah.
Re-entry, Muta.
Yeah.
Muta, re-entry, go to all 20 years. The year at 3 years, me get panic.
Me know at 3 years you get, but you say, you know business, just like the other one, them, my cousin and everybody, them no business.
Eh, where you say
America heaven to them. America heaven. And you wake up, you wake up now realize America no heaven. You just wake up.
Me know that.
You wake up, man. Me give thanks so you wake up still. All right, me go move.
All right, Muta, take care, yeah?
Nice to hear from you, about 2 years, me no hear from you.
Give me your number back, man.
Give me your number back.
Give me your number.
Me can't give me number for the ear, man.
No, me not going to take from the ear, but you have my number there, so just text me, call me and give me your number. Come on, and talk to you.
What you want to talk to me about?
Muta, me don't want to talk from the ear, Muta.
No, but me want you tell me from the ear.
Yeah, me don't want to talk from the ear, but you want me to tell you from the ear.
Yeah, me want you tell me from the ear where you want my number for.
It's all right, Muta. All right, Muta. Me give you my number. Me give you my number. My number there.
It's you know easy, you know.
All right, take care, my brother. Take
all
care.
Right, Mama. Give thanks. Glad to hear from you. Glad to hear from you. Yes. You know, so we'll be back here from 2 o'clock. American music coming out of Turtle Island. This is the cutting edge on RFM. Yes, El. El?
Good night.
Good night.
Mr. Mutabaruka, how are you doing?
I am doing quite okay now that I hear you.
I want to tell you that I'm a millennial from that generation, and I just want to say that we appreciate you for your insightfulness, for your existence, and for you staying true to who you are and sharing all of the wealth of knowledge that you have with the world. And I just want to say that I salute you tonight. And you have a grandson named Young Muta, and you played a song earlier. Yeah, me know, but he have another song there. I don't know if you can play it now or whenever, but it's a nice song. It's called Fire Off Your Bone, and it's talking about everything that's happening in society right now. And I want to tell you, sir, your grandson is very promising. He have some solid lyrics. Yeah, man, and he's a good youth and very handsome. But bless up.
What? He must have listened to you now, too. He must have listened to you.
I think he's very handsome and
he's
good
a silent, so. You're a silent admirer. He's a silent admirer.
Don't tell him.
No, what you mean? He must listen. He must listen. Why you think we play him tune a while ago? He must listen.
All right.
Your Muta, you hear that? Well, look fair, you know.
All right, so thank you very much.
All right, give thanks. What? May I tell you, man, hot out there. Well, what I have to tell you is I totally enjoyed this program tonight. Shane, trust me, man.
Yes, man, for real, man.
I totally enjoyed it.
Up and positive for the most part, man.
Oh, gosh, man. And I could have made the people them talk long enough to express themselves.
Yeah, man. We get some freedom with the whole heap of unnecessary break them with the dead, you know?
I tell you, man, oh, God. Dungeons. We are going to the slave dungeons. The next song is a song where we are playing from them time until now. And it's a sister named Ofra Azar. She come from Yemen. And she go in the slave dungeon there, man. She come out with a beautiful song. And we want to play this song for the people them as we go out. And we know say little more from this. It's another 2 o'clock again. And we will be here with the Stepping Razor, the art of war. Here we go.